Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows error code 0x80070057, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So before anything else, we will check the internet connection speed. Go to this website fast.com and hit enter. What speed of the internet does it show? And is that speed good enough? If yes, then proceed to the next solution. The next solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. So right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side, select Troubleshoot in the right pane, select Other Troubleshooters, click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. And the last solution is to reset Windows Update components. So we have a script for you. All you need to do is copy this script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, paste the script here and hit enter. Now I'll tell you what this script does. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat root 2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart all the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.